Do you make mistakes when you write? I sure do. One of my problems is homophones, the words with exact pronunciation but different spellings. So how do we overcome this problem? Keep watching and I will show you how. Hi, my name is Miriam Kennedy, the founder of YesICanLearnEnglish.com, where I give you the help you need to supercharge your learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell to make sure you get my next tip. Welcome! Spelling in English is challenging all on its own. When we consider words with the same pronunciation but different spellings, we face a bigger challenge. These words are called homophones, same sounding words with different spellings. Let me give you an example. Listen to this sentence carefully. I knew that the new house would be expensive. I said new twice. We have these two words with that sound in the sentence, new and new. Here is the sentence with blanks where those words were. I blank that the blank house would be expensive. I am sure most of you figured out that the first word is new and the second new. I knew that the new house would be expensive. We figure out the context of the sentence and decide which spelling of new to use in the correct place. I would like to share with you some more that I picked. Let's take a look at them. Listen to this sentence. To err is human, to forgive divine, whispered the heir to the throne with an air of annoyance. Did you hear the same pronunciation, heir, 3 times? Let me say it slowly, emphasizing the words. To err is human, to forgive divine, whispered the heir to the throne with an air of annoyance. Here are the words with the same pronunciation, air. Air in the sentence means attitude, not the air we breathe in. Heir is a person who inherits something, and to err is to make a mistake. Now look at the sentence with the blanks. Where do they go? To blank is human, to forgive divine, whispered the blank to the throne with a blank of annoyance. Again, to know which spelling is the right one, we need to guess the meaning from the words around the homophone. Okay, here is the completed sentence. To err is human, to forgive divine, whispered the heir to the throne with an air of annoyance. Here are more commonly confused homophones. Listen to this sentence. On the way to the store, we saw 2 car crashes too. I am sure you heard the sound two 3 times in this sentence. Here's the spelling and meanings of these 3 words. To is the number 2. To is a preposition showing direction. To is an adverb meaning excessive or also. So where do they go? On the way blank the store, we saw blank car crashes blank. Here is the complete sentence. On the way to the store, we saw 2 car crashes too. As I said earlier, the best way to know where these words are used is to know the context. Do you have a set of homophones that give you trouble? How do you usually overcome this challenge? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, I have put a link below where you can contact me at any time for help. How about some more homophones? This one is really confusing. Listen for the sound aisle. I'll look for you when I walk down the aisle of the church located in the center of the aisle. How many times did you hear it? If you said 3, you got it. Here are your choices. I'll, as in I'll send you a postcard when I get there. Aisle as in which aisle is bread located. Aisle as in after retirement, she decided to settle on an isle in the middle of the Pacific. Here is the sentence with the blanks. Blank look for you when I walk down the blank of the church located in the center of the blank. Here is the complete sentence. I'll look for you when I walk down the aisle of the church located in the center of the aisle. Let's look at another set. Listen for the sound cite. We need to cite the famous engineer stating, I set my sight on that site for the next shopping center. Again, here are your words, cite, cite, cite. Here are the meanings of these words. Cite is having to do with eyes. Cite is to quote an example. Site is a place or location. Where will you put these words? We need to blank the famous engineer stating, I set my blank on that blank for the next shopping center. Here is the completed sentence. We need to cite the famous engineer stating, I set my sight on that site for the next shopping center. Here is the last set of homophones I have. Listen for the sound scent. The scent of the perfume my mom sent me was worth every cent she spent on it. Let me give you the words. Scent, scent, and scent. Here are the meanings. Scent is smell, odor, or fragrance. Scent is the past and past participle of send. Cent is the smallest monetary unit in the United States. So where are we going to put these words? The blank of the perfume my mom blank me was worth every blank she spent on it. And here's the completed sentence. The scent of the perfume my mom sent me was worth every cent she spent on it. There are many more homophones in English. Just search the word homophones online and you will find plenty of them. For those of us who love to have printed resources, you can also find books on homophones. Happy learning! If you'd like, I can help you as a coach and mentor so you can reach your goal of raising your English skills to a new level faster. Just contact me so I can help you. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Follow me on social media. If you are really interested in improving your English skills, don't forget to get your free guide, Tips and Tools to Learn English Faster, where I give you all the things you need to help you reach your goals. I put the link below. Make sure to click on the link to get your free guide. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!